Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make mushroom rice pilaf. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 small yellow onion, 2 cups of chicken broth, a cup of mixed wild rice, 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of dried thyme, a half teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 10.5 ounce can of condensed cream of mushroom soup. We'll start by peeling our onion and dicing it. Then we'll melt our butter on the stovetop over medium-high heat and cook our onions until softened, about 5 minutes. Then we'll add our uncooked wild rice and cook it for about 5 minutes, before adding our garlic and cooking until fragrant, about another minute. Once the garlic is fragrant, we'll add our 2 cups of chicken broth and stir in our 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup, teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll allow our rice to come to a boil before reducing heat to medium-low, covering it with a lid, and allow it to simmer while stirring occasionally about 45 minutes until all of the liquid has been absorbed. Then we'll remove it from the heat and allow it to rest for 10 minutes before serving as a side. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.